Cartridge holder installation. Open the needle cover. Insert the cartridge holder into the front end of the handle. Turn the cartridge holder clockwise to lock the cartridge holder in the handle tightly. Put the anesthetic into the cartridge holder. Align the protruding of part of the cartridge holder with the groove in the front hole of the handpiece to install. Gently pull the cartridge holder outward to confirm that the booster tube is securely installed. Button introduction. Short press the power button to turn on the device. Long press the power button to turn off the device. Short press to set the maximum single injection dose. There are 0.1 milliliter, 0.3 milliliter, 0.6 milliliter, 0.9 milliliter, 1.8 milliliter. Long press to switch music to kinds of music. Short press the button to adjust the speed. 3 speeds: fast, medium and slow. Long press the button to adjust the volume. Press 2 buttons at the same time to reset. Reset after injection, return to 0. Short press the button, unlock or lock, enter or exit working state. Long press the button to start suction in the unlock state. Reaches 0.1 milliliter, stop automatically. Touch the injection button, the push rod starts to inject the anesthetic. Leave the injection button and the push rod stops. Injection process. Short press to unlock before injection. During the injection process, long press can change the injection volume. During the injection process, short press can change the injection speed. During the injection process, long press the power button to shut down.